All right, everybody. Have you ever been in this scenario where you're printing out a whole bunch of code and it just errors? Happens to me all the time. So I'm printing out a piece of code here, and it's about 90 pieces long or 90 lines long, and I'm going to show you how to get around that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if this video helps you. Anyway, what I put into ChatGPT is print out my app.js file, and app.js is just a file that's specific to me because I'm using app.js and it knows that I'm working with it. That's the one I'm printing out. It said, but break it up into 7 distinct messages. So now what it's going to do is going to print out my app.js file, but it's going to have these delineations here where it's going to say, if there's errors, I can say reprint that response starting at message 2. You know, if you're having it print out a lot of work for you, it's really helpful to just break it up into manageable pieces so that you can correct it once it breaks. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.